Hi, it's me again with Corel All Tips and Tricks. This is going to be a little short video, hopefully, on some crosses that I've made for many, many years, and I've got like 5 different ones saved on my Facebook page, which is Corel Draw File Share under the File section. They might be called Amazing Graces, or I haven't looked at them in a while, but this one's on there, and I do it every time I go to a funeral or a visitation. It takes very little wood, cut it out, sand it, and I've actually got I'll make a video on that. I think I have. There's the piece you cut out and then cut out another piece to have it stay in there, and then you can sand it with your orbital sander without breaking the parts. You don't have to worry about the inside part, but just the thin outside line. But I've always got a problem with centering the names because the cross is not symmetrical. I drew an outline, so one side is 1.23, one side is 110, and that's just because of the length of the words and everything, and to make it perfect. So because it's not symmetrical, you can't just have it put it in the center and go up, and you can see that's maybe not or not in the center. And I've always kind of just ballparked it. But what you can do, and it's a good trick, because really we just want it in the center of this. So what you could take your rectangle tool and get right on that line and go down and then go over to that line, it should snap in. And then if you hold down the shift key and select your name and then hit CE, okay, I'm always confused which one you need to do. You need to check that first and then click your rectangle and then hit CE, and that'll bring it right in the center of the page. And then if your nudge factor is set low enough, you can just nudge it up to wherever you think it looks good. You don't have to worry about really the placement of it right now. We're going to group this together, Control G, and then we're going to hold down the shift and grab the rectangle again and hit EC or CE, doesn't really matter. Once you've done that, you can get rid of the rectangle and then just grab the date, and you can either hold down the control button and move it a little quicker because it'll stay there, and then you can play around with it to whatever you think looks the best. And now it's in the center of that bottom part. I've done a lot of these. You don't want to get too far close to the edge on either side, and you kind of make it look equal. People don't really care. It's such a nice gift. I don't sell these. I give them away. Takes very little plywood, a little bit of time to cut it out, and feel free to use it. Go to the Facebook page and help yourself. Hope that helped a little bit.